Bernie has 40,000 to invest over a period of 7 years. He has a choice of 3 accounts. Let's call them A, B, and C. A is 6% per annum simple interest. B is 5.25% per annum compounded annually. And C is 5.15% per annum compounded quarterly. Which account should he use? Show supporting evidence. Well, let's look at how much he would get from each of the 3 accounts. So let's go to the E activity and let's find, first of all, our simple interest E activity. Now, what are we actually told here? So we know the principal is 40,000. The interest rate is 6, and he's investing for 7 years. How much interest does he get? 16,800. Add that onto the 14,000, and he ends up with $56,800. Now we need to go to compound interest, and so the 40,000's in there. The interest rate we need to change to 5.25. And it's compounded annually, so that's 1. T is 7 still, so all that looks good. And that is going to give me 57,228.81. And then for C, I need to change the rate to 5.15 and the N to 4 because it's compounded quarterly, so 4 times a year. And that gives me 57,230 and 1 cent. And so this one is the best, so he should use account C. Juliet has 20,000 to invest. She divides the investment between 2 investments, one a simple interest account paying 8% per annum interest, and the other a compound interest account paying 7.5% per annum compound interest, compounded monthly. At the end of 5 years, the simple interest account has earned 3,200 in interest. How much does she have in total? Well, we're starting off with simple interest, so let's open that up. Now, what do we know? So we've got I, P, R, and T. Well, we know that T is 5 years. The interest rate for the simple interest account is 8. We don't know how much of her money she put in there, but we know the interest was 3,200. So 3,200, we don't know what the principal was. The rate was 8, the time was 5. Trying to find the principal here, and the principal is 8,000. And if she put 8,000 in this account out of her 20,000, she must have put 20,000 in the other account. So we've got F, P, R, N, and T in our compound interest over here. So we know 12,000 is what she put in there. The rate was 7.5. Compounded monthly, so that's 12. And it was 5 years, so that's all good. And that's 17,439.53. I didn't fill all of these in, but 12,000, 7.5, 12, 5. So that's how much she gets from the compound interest account, and from the simple interest account it would be these two added together, which is 11,200. So we can just do that addition just here if we want to. So we'll just do add 11200, and so we know that that's 28,639.53.